Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm Inform, and today we will discuss one of the most interesting case study which was observed in a pharmaceutical industry. During a routine visit, production manager went in a capsulation filling area where he observed that esomeprazole pellets were filled in hard gelatin capsules shells. He asked from pharmacist what is the weight of one capsule. The pharmacist check the BMR and give the answer. The field weight of one capsule is 310.29 milligram. Mean 310.29 milligram is the weight of one filled capsule. He asked from the pharmacist that what is the weight of content, mean how much beads of esomeprazole are filled in one capsule. He checked the BMR again and give the answer that we are filling 235.29 milligram pellets per capsule, and the strength of esomeprazole was 20 milligram. So the production manager asked from the pharmacist how you come to know that we should fill 235.29 milligrams of pellets per capsule. The pharmacist said that he is not aware of the fact that why we are filling this quantity of pellets in one capsule. So the production manager asked him, do you want to learn? He said yes. So in this video we will help the pharmacist to learn why we are filling 235.29 milligram pellets of esomeprazole in 20 milligram capsule. First of all, we check the label claim, and the pellets drum clearly have the label 8.5% enteric coated esomeprazole pellets. So what is the meaning of 8.5%? 8.5% enteric coated esomeprazole pellets mean 8.5 milligram esomeprazole is present in 100 milligram. So we want to calculate 20 milligram esomeprazole. So we will use the unit rule for 100 over 8.5, and for 20 milligram our answer will be 100 over 8.5 into 20. So when we will solve this equation, our answer will be 235.29 milligram. Mean we fill 235.29 milligram esomeprazole pellets in each capsule because our label claim state that 8.5% enteric coated esomeprazole pellets. So 8.5% mean 8.5 milligram esomeprazole in 100 milligram. We need 20 milligram, and we will use this formula to calculate the answer. Now the pharmacist was very happy, and the production manager give him an assignment: do calculate the filling weight for esomeprazole 40 milligram if our pellets label claim is 22.5%. If you want to help this pharmacist, or if you know the answer, must mention in the comment box. If you like the video, must visit our pharma case study playlist to watch more interesting videos. For the next video, Allah Hafiz. Share this video to others. Also visit my website pharmainform.com.